Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? Well, so yesterday I had already started the process, but then I realized that I had not, you know, gotten here to introduce what today's vlog is all about. So this is me coming back here the next day to do this introduction. So guys, if this is your first time meeting this girl, my name is Ichechi and I want to tell you welcome, welcome. You are sincerely welcome to my channel. On here, I talk about my lifestyle as an immigrant in Canada and travel related content, DIYs, vlogs, the likes, and any other thing that I find interesting to put on here. Maybe a bit of immigration content, useful tips, and all of that. Yes, everything happens here. So please do not make it your last time dropping by my channel. I sincerely hope you find a lot of interesting things about this girl, about her life, about her channel for you to binge on. And click on the notification bell icon. Please give my videos all the likes and loves that it deserves. And of course, subscribe. Let's grow this community. To my OGs, I am truly grateful for you guys, fam. Like, you have been amazing. Thank you for sticking by me. Thank you for being consistent with me. I do not take that for granted. So, I moved into this apartment a few months ago. Hopefully, you would have seen the empty apartment tour, which I'm going to be linking up here for you guys to watch. So let me know also if you would want me to do like say an apartment tour for you guys. I would be more than happy to consider that for you. But the essence of today's video is that I am redesigning my closet space. It's actually a reach-in closet, maybe slightly big for a reach-in closet, or it's just fine. But I realized that I've been living off my box and even the boxes that I got from U-Haul when I moved from my previous apartment to this apartment. So that's tacky, guys. It's been difficult. It's such a struggle to, when you have to search for clothes to wear and all that. So that thing drives me nuts. So today I have decided to go to like redesign the space and everything. So the essence of this video is that I am looking to redesign my reach-in closet space on a budget. Yes, the goal is to do it on a budget. Secondly, I intend to do this with very minimal effort. So I'm not exactly looking for a lot of things that would involve heavy DIY. Do you get my point? Yes. So thirdly, where I live is a rented apartment. It's not my space, like it's not my house. So I don't intend to do a lot of damage to the wall. Guys, I have to take my last month's rent. You know the drill here in Canada. So I'm not about to go spoil walls and everything. Another thing I've realized with houses in Canada is that where you live currently, the layouts can be different from your next location. So I'm mindful of the fact that wherever I go to, whatever I install here today, I can use it in the next location. You get the gist, right? Yeah, so that's the essence of today's video, and I'm really excited for what it's going to look like. I'm also excited because finally I'm going to go back to being my organized self, and that is such a breath of fresh air for me. So yesterday I went to Ikea. Of course, in course of this video you guys will see all of that. Ikea, like, the place is so beautiful. It's actually my first time going to Ikea, guys, since I've been in Canada. But yeah, I saw a lot of exciting things. At some point I got confused. I missed my measurements and all of that. So today hopefully I'm going to correct all of this stuff. Yeah, so I was supposed to go to Home Depot initially, and Ikea was just like for me to compare, but I ended up going to Ikea first, and I don't exactly know if I want to go to Home Depot anymore because of course Ikea is a much more affordable brand. It's cost effective, which is the goal. Remember, we're trying to work on a budget. So I may get to Home Depot, but I'm not exactly sure. Of course, if I get to Home Depot, I'll be sure to show you guys around, and we can together do a bit of window shopping, or hopefully I get some other stuff. So I'm looking to also have some floating shelves in my reaching closets where I'm going to put my bag, and then just like some other cabinet spaces just to, you know, put my clothes and get some, like, finally just get everything organized. So that's the goal. Anyways, enough of me rambling. I'm about to leave the house. I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up for us to, you know, go look around and buy everything today. That is the goal. So I'm truly excited for this one, guys. For those of you who have reaching closets, how, like, did your space come partitioned already for you? Like, I know I have my family friend, that her closet is already partitioned and everything, like, is really cool and super easy, but mine is just that bland rod where you just hang your clothes. That's the only thing that came, and then the board, like the flat board that is floating on top of it, that's all I have. So if you have that kind, how did you transition your space? What did you consider? Did you consider your budget? Like, what was the motivation for you? Or are you using yours as it is already? I would love to hear all of that in the comment section, and hopefully I'm able to bring the mental picture to life within this little space of mine. So I will see you guys in a bit, and please don't go nowhere.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free every day.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, one eternity later, I am back home from Ikea. So I ended up not going to Home Depot anymore because, like I said, everything literally was in Ikea. So there was really no point moving around and wasting time. So yeah, I'm back home, and I'm happy to say that I, stuck within my budget for this project. I'm gonna explain that much later as we progress. So I'm back home and I'm gonna insert the video of the things I got. I'm trying to see if I can finish everything today. I highly doubt that though, but as many things I can get done today, that's what I intend to do. Now, I'm truly happy for the things I got because I feel like it's really going to bring that mental representation to life, like what I want. And I can't wait to start. I'm just gonna have lunch because I am famished, and then I'm not taking a break after lunch. I'm just gonna dive right into reorganizing everything because, guys, it's Saturday and today is the only day I have to put this together. So I don't know if this vlog is gonna end here, which I doubt because there's like a shelf that I got. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to be able to finish that today and set it up, but guys, I can't wait to show you. It's the game changer for this whole reorganization thing for me, so I'm truly excited for that. Of course, I'm going to show you guys what the final look is going to be like. I'm going to reveal all of that good stuff to you. So I just thought to check in with you guys to say that I'm back from Ikea, and I'm also going to show you guys the process of, you know, the whole reorganization and stuff like that. So that's it for now. Talk to you guys later.
Crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more. No, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free. Every piece. I wish you could be happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more. No, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more. No, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Guys, this is what my space is currently looking like. I'm not done yet. Wow, I still have like this place here just open for maybe things like my iron and all of those things. And I'm gonna put something here. That's the shelf I was talking about that I need to mount later. Yeah, but so far this is what it's looking like. So at the end of the day, I'm not certain. It looks like a mirror might be here, like to the wall, you know, just I don't know yet, but we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, if that doesn't work out, then I'll just have to leave it somewhere else. I beg your pardon. Guys, what do you think about my space? So things like this would be for like my bed sheets, towels, duvet, and heavy stuff like that. Those are the things that are gonna be on top. And here, of course, clothes, more clothes, no shoes because I already have a shoe rack. I don't know, for now this is going to be as is. I really do not know what to do here, but maybe with time I'm going to look for something. So guys, if you notice, things are already here, like my undergarments are already sitting here. So this is what it looks like. I mean, Ikea is the best. I'm gonna try to leave the link below in the description, just in case you're looking to go with this flow for your space. I'll be more than happy to share the product description, I think, and maybe the link, and hopefully you get to find it. So guys, this is what the space looks like. I'm getting tired, but I'm just gonna try to do as many things as possible as I can today. Otherwise I would have to continue tomorrow. Head on to the comment section, let me know what you think. Did I do well with maximizing my space? What is your space looking like? Are you getting inspiration from this space? Feel free, share all of that in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read from you and respond to your questions. Yeah, that's it. So guys, maybe I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I would continue another day. Your girl is knackered. Take care. Bye for now. Hey guys, it's another day in the vlog. This is currently what the space looks like. What do you think, guys? This is the current situation. I am not done because I wasn't able to install the shelf, so I will do that before the week runs out, right? And stack the rest of my things, like my accessories, my bags, basically my face caps, things like that. Those are the things that would be on the shelf, and maybe any other thing I find interesting, right? So for now, this is what it looks like, guys. How did I do? So I'm still going to sort this out, but this is just the arrangement for now. Let me know in the comment section. Of course, I'll do one final review once everything is complete and in place. So I still have this space right here just to stack things like this. Any other thing really, as time goes on, I would decide. So this is what my space looks like right now. I am knackered, guys. Like, it looks easy right now, but trying to sort out clothes, taking out the ones for donation, and just basically sorting out stuff was a lot. But this is what it looks like, and I'm really happy for how my space is looking like. Guys, I can literally play in here. I still have ample space if I wanted to mount stuff all the way to the ceiling. So the shelf I was talking about is going to be here. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I just wanted to do like a quick review of what the space looks like right now. I hope you guys have been inspired by this. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to bed now. Tomorrow is work, so this is me signing out for today. I will be back here to show you guys the final review. Until then, take care. Hi guys, it's another day in the vlog, and this is what the current situation looks like right now. But I just wanted to check in with you guys to say that I've installed the shelf and it's looking very pretty. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. 1 second, let me switch my camera. So guys, now that you have seen my space, this is me telling you guys good night, and I'm signing out. I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.